Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I haven't been here in a while. We had a little difficulties, still having difficulties. I am so sorry for the quality of this video. Hopefully by the next one it will be sorted, but I can't stay away this long. So today we're not showing a face as I've got a new subscription. This is Splendies. Oh, upside down, sorry. Splendies. So Splendies is a monthly subscription, and we get, I already opened it, sorry. We get, it's an underwear subscription. Let me just chuck this away. Okay, so this is Splendies. Splendies is an underwear subscription. We get it every single month. It is $15 US per month, which is right about $200. So in Splendies we get 3 different pieces of underwear. They differ from a extra small to a large, and anything XL and up is a little higher priced, but they are so petite and so cute. I have received them before. Once again, I am sorry for the quality of this video. Let's see what we got this month. So as I said, we get 3 different ones. Very cute. Today, let's take these away. So we got this month, we got a delicate laced one with a bow. Oh, the quality on this camera sucks. I'm so sorry. I can't even focus nicely. But is this just not the best? The lace is, usually it itches, but it's so soft, and when you wash it, it doesn't, you know, give off or shrink or anything. But I like them. You get them in different types of underwear. As you can see, I wear a petite little thing. But yeah, you get them in boy shorts, in full briefs. Yeah, very nice. And then we got the purple one. Oh, it's lace as well. With a little bow. I like this color though. So it says L, but it's S. Okay. Let's put it this way. Can you see that? Okay. We got that one. And then we got a, what do they call them? A no lines, no panty lines. There we go. No panty lines panty. Also in a purple. These are all purples. I guess this month's theme is most likely purple. But yeah, unfortunately my camera does not pick it up. I hope you guys can see it. So we got this cute little one. No panty lines. Then we have this one, the cotton one with the lace. And then we have a pure lace one with a nice bow. There we go. Yay. Okay, so this is my first unboxing for Splendies. I do hope you guys like it. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we will have this sorted within this week. I just couldn't stay away as long as I have anymore. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.